What's up, everybody? The Brew is back again for another review on Brew's Cheap Tech. Also remember to check out my blog, brewscheaptech.com, as well as the other videos I have on this site if you want to see some tech reviews from products that are usually a little more inexpensive and can be alternatives for those top name brand products. So I've got a new product today to test. Boom. It is the Amcrest Video Doorbell. Once we break into this thing and see what it's all about, this could be an alternative for the Ring Doorbell, one of the more popular brands. Let's see if this can hold a candle to that. It says here, Wi-Fi Video Doorbell, Wi-Fi enabled, full 1080p HD video, two-way talk, motion alerts, includes 2 different faceplates, and that might be a little interesting. It looks from here fairly similar to the Ring Doorbell, so I mean, let's see what this thing's got. Hopefully it's pretty good. I don't know yet. Let's see what the back says. See, talk, listen to your guests with the Amcrest Smart Home app. Download on the App Store or Google Play. Connect to Wi-Fi, monitor your doorstep, stream live video in full 1080p HD, talk and listen to visitors, illuminating night vision, super wide view, 140-degree viewing angle, optional cloud storage. Wonder how much that's going to cost. Let's see, easy setup, install, connect, download, get notifications. Okay, so now that you know what we're working with, let's dive down and break into this bad boy. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, so we got a warranty slip. We gotta get started, how to download. I might want to keep those. Join our community, blah blah blah. Installation, install the chime. Okay. We have the actual doorbell here. Looks fairly simple. We've got some tools, assuming for installation. So you can have the silver faceplate or the black that comes on it. Interesting. Silver to me, I don't know. I kind of like the black. My front porch is black, so that may work better. We'll use the black. Drill bit, some cables, some connectors, some screws, and we've got the chime. And I'm assuming, I guess this plugs in to where your current chime is. I don't know. My doorbell is very old school, so I hope this hooks up good. I mean, I think my doorbell has got to be at least 20 years old, so hopefully this will be a nice little upgrade and everything goes smoothly. So yeah, I mean, it's fairly simple. You got the camera, the doorbell, you got the chime, everything you need to hook it up, an additional faceplate, which is very cool, and you've got all the instructions that you need. So it says number 1, it says the chime is instruction booklet number 1, the doorbell is instruction booklet number 2. So I'll tell you what, let's go hook these bad boys up. Hey guys, it's been a couple of days since we got the install completed on the Amcrest Video Doorbell. So far I've been pretty happy with this thing. Let's cover a couple of specs on it real fast. First and foremost, it's got an app that you can download to your phone so you can see wherever you are from your phone who's at your front door. You can do live feed, or it has cloud recording or SD card recording. I just threw in a micro SD card, like 16 gigabytes I think, and it records, hours of footage on this thing. It also records up to 1080p HD resolution, which is pretty neat. If you're looking, even the SD quality is pretty good, but once you bump it up to HD quality, it's a really good, high quality looking camera. It's got a motion sensing detecting, so anything that gets near the camera sets it off. I would say, however, if you live close to a busy street like I do, you may want to turn down the settings a little bit, because it goes off like every couple of minutes. Every time a car drives by, this thing's going off, which is good. Picking everything up, but I don't want to get 1,000 notifications in an hour. Like I said earlier, it's got 140 degree viewing angles, so it's pretty wide, and we'll go down and look at it from my phone here in a second. You can see kind of what it's seeing. The installation was super easy. It just uses your current doorbell wiring, and you just simply plug and play. The only thing I did have to do is drill 3 small holes for the base for the doorbell, but other than that, it was pretty plug and play. It does have a built-in microphone, so you can hear what's going on outside, and you can communicate 2 ways, from your cell phone, through the app, and through the doorbell. One cool thing about the Amcrest doorbell is that it comes with a 1-year warranty on it, so if anything happens within that first year, you're covered through Amcrest. And also, I believe they do like lifetime updates, so every time they update that doorbell, you will also receive the update when you log on to the application. Okay, so we're going to pull up the app, and you can see this is your home page, and you just click on the actual image there. I'm not on Wi-Fi, so let's just continue to play. So this will be the live view from what's happening currently. And current quality is SD, but we can just hit this button here and it goes to HD quality. So now you can see that you have multi-view. If you have more cameras or more of these doorbells installed, there's also the talk, the listen, full screen, which sets you up like that. Snapshots, so you can take some quick pictures if you're trying to capture something to save. Then you can record manually yourself if you want to. Okay, so you can go outside. So now you can see I sent my niece outside to show you a couple of the features. If we do the listen, and then we do the talk, she should be able to hear us. Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah.
How's your day going? So you see you can communicate back and forth. Okay, so you can communicate back and forth through it. Also, you can go to the micro SD card recordings down here, and you see all of these instances. For instance, there I went outside the door. So it has motion detection, and you can change how it's set up, which you probably will want to do because this thing is very sensitive. So you can turn the motion detection on or off. You can set a schedule, which I changed the schedule to only be during like working hours, so I wasn't getting notified all night long, because every car with headlights sets this thing off. You can set the motion range, number 1 being the closest, 6 being the farthest. I currently have mine set on the closest, and it still goes off by cars coming down the street. You have the detection zone, which this is pretty cool. You can set it exactly where you want it to detect at. So I don't want it, detecting if a dog or cat runs across the driveway. So I've got it set to where it's pretty much just my front porch. Final thoughts with the Amcrest Video Doorbell. I think this could be a complete replacement for a Ring Video Doorbell. I love it. I can see what's going on outside my front, my front yard all the time. So, and it came in pretty handy since we ordered most of our Christmas gifts online. So every time a package was delivered, I could see if they were throwing the boxes or anything was getting damaged, or if anyone was stealing it. So that's all I've got for you. Go out and purchase you one of these. Also, there will be a link below to Amazon where you can buy this. Okay, so you can get 10% off if you use the code BCTDBELL. So it's capital B, capital C, capital T, capital D, BELL. Use that and you get 10% off if you click the link below. Brew out.